Hi, this is Allison Kiro from Allison Kiro Organizing, and the last video I made, I was sharing with you all that the two easiest tips that I can tell you to get and stay organized is to designate a spot for everything that you own and always return that item back to where it belongs when you're done using it. But sometimes that's easy if it's your keys or something like that, but sometimes if it's like your glasses or your cell phone or like a remote like this, it might have to travel around your house a little bit. That's where it gets a little bit more difficult, but not really. Here's where you learn to use boundaries. This is going to save your life in a lot of situations. Boundaries. You put a boundary that says, I'm going to commit to designating a spot for everything. And even if it seems like a huge pain in my rump to return it as soon as I'm done, I'm going to do that. Why are you going to do that? Because it's going to save you time, because it's going to save you money, because you're not going to feel overwhelmed and frustrated and annoyed and angry, and it's not going to completely ruin your entire day because you can't find anything. The other reason is this: setting boundaries is a huge, huge thing. It will literally change your life. And if you can't set a boundary for yourself where you won't even follow it, how on God's green earth can you expect anyone else to respect your boundaries if you don't even respect them yourself? So this is a great exercise, not only to make your life easier, to save money, to save time, to make yourself feel happier because you're not wandering around looking for something that you can't find. You set boundaries, right? You respect yourself and love yourself enough to set boundaries of designating a spot for everything and returning it right afterwards. Because I'll tell you, this little tiny remote can get lost, and either I would have had to buy it 6 times from between now and the time I bought it, or I can put it back where it belongs and I don't have to spend an enormous amount of time looking for it again. So again, organizing is about making decisions that makes your life happier and healthier in mind, body, and spirit, right? This is what we're doing it for. Not just because you want things to look nice, but because you know that you deserve to have a better life. And it all starts with you beginning to respect yourself and love yourself enough to set those boundaries. And if you start practicing with yourself, it'll be a lot easier to start setting boundaries with everyone else in your life. This is Allison Kiro with Allison Kiro Organizing, helping you get clutter out of your home and out of your head. Stay tuned for other videos.